Good evening, guys. Let us start the analysis for tomorrow. What we plan to do tomorrow. So, what happened in the morning? I got a request to give an update with respect to the uh, option gen position. So, मैंने क्या बोला था कि 19742 and 19650. These are the two levels that you keep in mind. And then I showed in this chart कि इसका ऊपर निकलेगा, which is 19. As I told this figure of 19693 इसका ऊपर निकलेगा तो आप लोग then I'd be bullish. इसका नीचे निकलेगा then I'll be bearish. Try avoiding this range and take trade only on break of this range on a close of 5-minute candle above or below. Seeing the option chain, it seems to be very risky day. Today the market will be 100% trending. The market 100% trending, and that SL should be more than 30 points in Nifty Premium. As such, keep position very low. 11-14 का मैंने बोला कि start, let's long start trailing now. 11-14. If you look into 11-14, 11 here, somewhere here, I said now long start trailing. यहाँ से यहाँ तक गई. Now if you see, जैसे इसने वो level break किया, that was 19,683. It formed an inverted hammer यहाँ पे, और then it straight went up. उसके बाद देखते हैं अपना क्या discussion था. Then I said 19808 is the last frontier for the call writers. I'm not short. Kumar Barish, very good analysis. At 1:24 p.m. he saw something unusual happening, and he very clearly said, might be dumped badly, I think. And his words came out 100% correct. And this was at 1:24. 1:24 इस जगह पे उसने बोल दिया था. Good prediction, Kumar. Very good prediction that he is seeing a dump, but the dump happened quite late. And I'll tell you why the dump also happened and everything. But Kumar, good analysis, very good analysis. उसके बाद then I did a Zoom meeting soon after the market with few of my participants and explained to them in detail. It was almost a 35-40 minutes that I did explain to them. But इसमें मैं उतना detail में नहीं जाऊंगा. I'll be short in this discussion. I'm happy to see 75% profit. That means people have traded in a nice way. Now, before I get into, इसमें एक चीज और बताना चाहता हूँ, which I keep on telling the Chintu candle, my Chintu candle. Now, if you see this candle, सबका Chintu candle, ये देख रहे हो ना आप candle? जैसे ये candle बनती है ना, be prepared. कि जिस तरह कैंडल बनेगी उस तरह मार्केट भागेगी. यहाँ पे हुआ, market still went up. And in this place, many people would have lost patience. But if you had kept patience here, you'd have got this move. And then again, this was a classic Chintu which formed here. Now, I always go back to my ज्ञान levels. अब इसको आप ज्ञान level बोलिए चाहे जो भी level बोलिए, which you know that I have my this chart, ज्ञान chart, जहाँ पे मेरा critical levels mark किए हुए हैं. As and when the market reaches such levels of 19881 and 9321 at 2449 like that, it will move into the next direction. And the market has moved into the downward direction going forward. But let's see. Let us analyze it properly. So यहाँ से rejection लिया 19881. मैंने इसको, this was my level that was clearly marked. And when this form happened, it was a very clear sign that a reversal will happen. And the reversal normally happens क्या होता है कि ये एक inverted candle बनता है जहां पे पूरा ही weak है, body कुछ भी नहीं है. That means it went up, but then the sellers got a complete control and brought everything down. Then the fall-off happened, and after the fall-off, there's no looking back. Now, friends, this candle. Now, if you see today's movement, this whole movement that is there from the level of here, from this level of 9679, to this level here, this whole thing is a 248-point movement. A 248-point movement in a single day is a big movement, which is a challenge. Okay? But this fall that happened was quite a dramatic fall that happened, and when such type of a fall happens, क्या होता है कि it's a dump, it's a pump and a dump, and in this dump, the smart player would have exited their positions in a big way. So this is what happened. Just my main learning point, all of you would be, is that this particular candles, keep a watch on it, and at the Gyan levels, keep a watch on it. So you move here from the first Gyan level, move to the second Gyan level, taken a rejection from there. So what is next? So next is that till the time this level is crossed out, which is 1981, I will not be bullish on the market. I'll be very cautious in the market. A couple of good things has happened. And the good thing is that this candle has not been able to break the previous day low. So that's a bullish sign. Closed much above. It is closed at 19,765, which is much above the previous day. It's a bullish sign. Bearish kya hota hai? The market has taken a big rejection, a 160-point candle in exactly half an hour. It took almost 4.5 hours to reach 248, and in half an hour, almost in 1 hour, it broke the whole candle. So that's on the. Now I will show you something on the monthly chart. I'll convert this into my line chart, and if you see here, so what did the market do? It went up to 19,881. It went up to here, यहाँ तक पहुंची, फिर वो नीचे आ गई. Now if you draw a simple line, what do you see? It is exactly at the resistance point from the 3rd of July 2023. From 3rd of July 2023, from July, जहां से resistance लिया था इसने, if I look into my chart, on my daily chart, just a minute, on my daily chart in July, here, जहां से rejection लिया था, on a closing basis, on a line chart closing basis, वहीं भी जाके market एक खड़ी हुई है. The market is standing here, and there's also a possibility that it may come down further and then form a very simple channel like this. इस channel के अंदर में आ सकती है वो. This is a possibility. I'm not saying the possibility is going to happen tomorrow or day after, but this is a possibility, just a possibility. So I'll be cautious in this process. That's on a monthly. On the weekly basis, I see quite a random movement, मुझे फर्क नहीं पड़ता. On a daily, again, the W form हुआ था. It has reached the top of the W. So either there will be a bomb blast and it will boom, or it will come down. Let's see what happens. My estimate is that it can happen both ways, but let's analyze it tomorrow. For tomorrow. Now, whenever such huge candle happens, what I do is I draw a simple Fibonacci. I will draw a very simple Fibonacci from the high of today to the low of today. And what I see here is a very clear picture that the market went up to the high. It retraced back up to 30, exactly 62% retracement kiya usne, and then went and captured the 50%. So the market did not, whatever the movement happened, the market has sustained the 50% movement. So which is a bullish sign that the market has shown. Also, if you look into the RSI, if the same movement, अगर यही movement आपका इस movement और RSI यहाँ पे रहती, तो then I would have said कि ठीक है, और even RSI का mid point पे रहती, then I would have said yes, the market is now in all possibilities can go further down. But here, अभी यहाँ पे RSI पे आ गई, it is coming here, it has captured 50%. So tomorrow, wherever the market opens, I'm not interested where the market opens. Getting immediately bearish, I would be cautious on it. I would wait for a little bit of retracement. थोड़ा retracement आने दीजिए, and then I'll be again be bearish. So for tomorrow, mark the levels of 19,782. What is 19,782? If the market is sustaining above 19,782, just apply a 20-point SL and keep trailing stop loss till 19,881. अगर 782 को ऊपर गए तो it will try to again capture the 19,881. Anything above 19,881 would be the real bullish scenario, but let us wait for that because this fall was not a good fall. Now, second point, below this particular Chintu candle, which is 9685, only below 9685, I'll be bearish. I'll be bearish below 9685 with the first target of 9628, and then after that, my second target will be 9576, 9524, and so on and so forth. I don't see the market falling below 9524 on a tomorrow basis. In all probabilities, it should so happen that either the market will open flat and stay flat for some time so that the RSI recoups, or it will open gap up and take a rejection. Okay. Summary: if the market opens flat and stays within this range, avoid trading. 782, I'll be going bullish up to 19,881 and beyond that also if it is there. If it comes down, then I'll wait for it to break 9682, and below that, I'm going to take a further trades. That's a summary of the discussions and my trade setup for tomorrow. Thank you very much, friends. Take care. Bye-bye. Good night.